Okay, problem 44 on page 670. You have a sister problem 31, also on 670 as I'm looking at it. So, just like the previous ones, gives you some graphical information, asks you to deduce the equation. I'm just checking that right now. Yeah, find the equation, graph the equation. Find it and graph it. Always start the same way. We're just given some points. So let's see what we can deduce once we draw this Cartesian plane. Do you doubt what I said right at the outset of the course? You've been doing analytic geometry longer than you know. If you're drawing a Cartesian plane, you're probably doing analytic geometry. So in this case, I've got a center 1, 4 right there. Okay, there's a center. I'm going to just name it as a center so we can keep track of it. We're just going to call it a C. I've got a focus at -3. So I'm over here, 1, 2, 3, and up 6. So something like this. And a vertex at -3. Did I write these down right? Center at 1, 4. A focus at -3, 6, and a vertex at -3, 4. No, I didn't write them down. I was going to say we're dealing with a fairly sophisticated thing here. Let's change this data real quick. 44 says 1, 4. -2, 4. -2, 4, and 44 is 0, 4. Yikes. 0, 4. I think I got the center down right. Let's try it again. Here's the focus at -2, 4, same height. Okay, that's a focus. And I got a vertex at 0, 4. Okay, there it is right there. So there's a vertex. How are we going to draw this thing? Trying to stay out of my own way here. What is this? This is a center. Okay, so this is a vertex, and here's the focus right here. They're all on this line, and remember that line is called the transverse axis. Okay, and the hyperbola that we're looking for is shooting off in this manner. There's the center, so there's another set of lobes over here, right? Focus inside, and there's the two branches. Since these are horizontal, this is going to be, the equation is going to be of the form x minus h squared all over a squared minus y minus k squared all over b squared is equal to 1, because that's appropriate to a transverse axis that's parallel to the x-axis. If these two lobes are opening up, you'd have y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared is equal to 1. But that's appropriate here. And in both cases, remember, you got b squared is equal to c squared minus a squared. And what do we have to do now? We have to pull off data from this graph. We have got, what do we have? I've got a center over here, and I've got a focus over here. So the distance between the center and the focus, the center is 1 over, the focus is 2 over, total distance 3. C, which is the focal length, the distance from the focus to the center, is 3. Yeah? This distance right here is the focal length, and it's 3. Yeah? And now the distance from the center to the vertex is A. And that is, the center is at 1, 4. The vertex is at 0, 4. A is equal to 1. And then I can make use of this relationship to say that b squared is equal to c squared minus 1. It's equal to 8. B is equal to 2 root 2, square root of 8. And so I can write this equation down. Is that all I have to do? I think that's all I have to do. So I'm going to say that the equation that we're looking for is x minus h all over a. I'll leave it like that. Minus y minus 4. 4? Yep, there's the 4. Squared all over 8 is equal to 1. And there's the graph. And we'll move on from there.